beauties! Welcome back to my channel today. We are going to be making like dough slash slime, whatever. And yeah, it's kind of stretchy. Yeah. So comment down below if you want me to make you some, and then I will. So let me start off with this flour. You need a big spoon, and then we haven't got that much, so I won't do that much either. Right. So yeah, that bit's done. And then I put some Ariel in. And then I got a little spoon, or whatever spoon you want. And then I just start mixing it. And then let me just get some water. So yeah, let me just add a little bit of water in. So yeah, and then it should look like that. And then you just add a little bit more flour. Start mixing. Then it will look like really dry, but then after that, it'll look like that. You need to put a bit of fairy into it. It can be any fairy. And mix it. A little bit more flour. This has been on for 3 minutes and 40 seconds now. Now you will need the PVA glue. This one is from Tesco, so go and buy it from Tesco. And do it a little bit. And then stir it. Whew. I'm only making a little bit for you guys. But if it doesn't work out, and then you add some soap. And then you can start kneading it after you put the last bit of flour in. And then you obviously mix it and then pour some flour onto the table. And then just spread it around. Mix this, obviously. Then it'll be like that. And then you'll have to start kneading it now. I think I need some more flour. Yeah, it's like that. And just start stretching it and get the flour out of the bowl you used. But now, put it back in the bowl. Now, time to add some orange. Bit too much. Anyway, who cares? Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe. So yeah, then you'll obviously start kneading it like I will. So yeah, this slime isn't that sticky, but it is really stretchy, as you can see when you squeeze it. I am going to take some to school, hopefully. And everyone, don't just comment down below, can I have some, can I have some? It only if I know you can have some, and if I know your address, and I know where you live. So like, say Star, she lives on a hill, kind of, or on the top of a hill. So yeah, I'll just wash my hands now. Yeah, it's very hard to wash off. Wait there, guys. Stand there. just get in the towel. It might stain the towel. Stand up, you moron. There we go. So yeah. See you guys when it's done. But right. I'll show you guys when it's done. So yeah. Right, I have just finished it, guys. Let's just get it out the tub. What? Ruining my video again. Whoa, see? Not sticky. That was just from the earlier. So yeah, if you want to make it yourself, and yeah, see you guys next time. Bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.